OSS was trending yesterday, the 26th of November 2025. It closed the session with a gain of 29.50, including that of the post market session. Intraday high $6.13. Volume was way above average. Yeah, way above average. So, yes, the stock was trending amongst other things because there was this rumor of a major US Army contract, and the stock rose sharply during that session and stemmed from heightened speculation around a potential multi-million dollar Department of Defense deal. The stock has been developing, or rather, the company has been developing a rugged 360-degree situational awareness platform for U.S. Army combat vehicles, integrating multiple video feeds for real-time data in high-threat environments. The company's disclosure from earlier this year highlighted this as a sole source opportunity that could scale to over 5,000 vehicles, implying $200 million plus in revenue if funded and deployed across programs like armored personnel carriers. Social media chatter amplified the buzz yesterday with traders citing unconfirmed reports of ongoing Army testing and possible contracts award progression. The retail driven momentum that it printed yesterday, including coverage from influential individuals, drove trading volume way past 1.2 million shares, far above its average volume. We have already seen that with pushing the price from an open near $4.61 to intraday highs of 6.13. We've seen that already. The move builds on the company's established defense portfolio, including recent Navy and Asian contracts, but lacks an official announcement suggesting speculation as the primary trigger of the strand it showed yesterday. Okay, so let's get down to it. Okay, just given this intraday high of 6.13, let's see whether the algos on the 1 minute chart did anything with regard to that. Okay, let's begin with here on the 5 minute chart. We have 6.15, yeah, 6.23, 6.28. They reacted modestly with further upper projections, but we want to see something really ambitious. Let's see the 1 minute chart if there's anything here. 5.98, 6.14, nothing here. 2 minute chart, 6.20, 6.29. I'm not sure if we're going to see anything ambitious. 6.20, 6.07, maybe not. Okay, let's come down to the daily chart. Okay, let's begin with the weekly chart. Okay, on the weekly chart, we have 6.80 as well. Nothing here. Okay, 6.80. Okay, what are the odds we're going to see something from its daily chart? Let's have a look. Okay, on the daily chart, the extrapolation is saying that it picked up. The strength began actually from Thursday, from actually Friday the 21st. So this is okay. Yeah. How many days now? Four trading sessions, but it lost. It just was down on one day. That was on Tuesday the 25th. Since just so 3 out of 4. This had a pass of 3 out of 4. Okay. Yeah. So the extrapolation is saying that it might maintain it up till Monday the first, and then after that, it might go into a consolidation with a bullish bias. Yes, and the 40-day moving average might be serving as a support. Okay, even though it might drop below that, but it still serves as still a support regardless. Let's see. Projections are currently saying, as things stand right now, nothing to the upside. 2.61, 3.07, 3.87. But previous projections, okay, a lot more ambitious. As of Friday the 14th, a week before the this strength began. A week before the strength began, it was showing 6.36, 7.01, 7.41 upper projections, and indeed also downward projections of 2.61. 3.07, 3.83. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, 6.82, 7.39. There isn't really. Okay, yeah, we have 7.74, 8.18. Okay, so indeed, there are even 8.21. Well, they're all just modestly ambitious, modestly ambitious. Nothing fantastic, nothing close to double digits. We've combed as much as we can, and we can't see anything beyond anything close to $9. Okay, but we'll have a look at the 4 hour chart. We might see something there. Okay, what we can do is just have a look at its let's see, market grid, see what it's going to give us in terms of trading range. Let's see, in terms of trading range in a very short term. Let's see what we have. Okay, the stock is trading outside of the market grid, so it's not going to do anything for us. It's not going to do anything for us in that regard. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart to see what it has. On the 4 hour chart, okay, the strength is expected to remain in place at least up till Friday, midday Friday, and then consolidating up till Tuesday the 16th. Then the contraction might begin. But the 40-day moving average is expected to moderate any contraction. The contraction might begin to play out, but with the presence of the 40-day moving average, it might remain constrained, even though it may still be in effect. But after Friday, the 5th of December, the close of that day, it might go into a free fall. But these are just extrapolations. There's no guarantee they're going to happen like this. Okay. Projections here are saying 5.85. Nothing. We want to see anything. We want to see projection beyond $9 now. 6.60. Let's see what we have here. 6.63, 6.96, 7.56, 7.83, 8.18. We've seen those already. Yeah. Yeah. Projections are quite stingy. The algos are just not keen on projecting anything. Let's have a look and see what its volatility says. Yeah, highly volatile. Okay, I'm surprised we don't have anything. Okay, we don't have anything really ambitious in terms of projections, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, but in any case, contraction is what is expected to play out. Okay, in the coming maybe in a very short time. Okay, let's see now. Let's apply the market grid here to see if it's going to give us more ambitious projections, or the sort of projections it's going to give us. But I really doubt if it's going to give us anything. Nothing. I don't really doubt if it's going to. Yeah, nothing fantastic as such. Nothing really. I doubt it. Yeah, 6.44 and 5.42. No, not really. Can't. Yeah. Let's see. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? Nothing. I believe as well. Nothing fantastic as well. Nothing. 6.24. 6.85. For 5.24. Okay, let's look at the 2 hour chart. Okay, nothing here as well. Let's see projections. Yeah, 6.96, 7.54. Okay, well, just have a look and see what you make of OSS. And thank you very much for watching this video.